This is an updated video on Simple Files. As of version 2.1, we've added a number of security options and have made a few changes since the previous versions. I just want to run through a few of those right now. So here we have the tree view activated, which is an option in the options menu, and you can also see the files and folders, or the folders down below. For those that haven't seen Simple Files, it's a drag and drop interface where you can hold on to a file or folder, drag it around. It's all an Ajax interface, which basically means a browser-based code interface where you can drag folders into each other and you can rearrange them. You can click on folders and look at files within them and drag and drop the files themselves. So, and you also see there's a home icon there where you can go back to the main tree or the set of folders. So, just to run through these options quickly, you can upload files. You can upload an archive, which is a zip file of files and folders, or you can at the same time highlight using your control key a number of folders and then hit download, and you can download a zip file. So two ways to import and export files and folders together as a bundle. Creating folders is quite straightforward. Clicking on a folder, creating it, and it'll appear in the tree and down below. You can share files or folders a couple of ways. You could also hit on the sharing icon, enter emails, comma separated, or just copy a URL to share and send it directly as a link. And there's default permissions. So you also see permissions icon here. So we can set permissions. This is some of the power of Simple Files is setting permissions by user or by group. So here in this case, the permissions are set by group, which is the same as the WordPress role. And you can allow different people the abilities to view, share, revise, and so on. And what's new in the last few versions especially are some more detailed options here. So we've got sharing options for customizing your sharing email. Sort orders of your columns. You can set all sorts of priorities for sorting. Permissions, you can go by group or by user. File revisions, you can manage file revisions for a single user or across multiple users, which is good for version control. Tree view, yes, that's the folder view that we've seen in the top. Log some errors if there are any. What we've added in 2.1 is the file privacy options here. So currently they're visible through the browser. So this means if somebody was to know the name of a file and type a full URL, they could find it and download it even if they weren't logged in. If you want to go to blocked, you can protect all files so that only logged in users can see them and download them. Hidden is a variation where it protects folders, and but it still allows users that are not logged in to download files. We also have image previews where you can cursor over an image and see a larger picture of the image, and multiple file and upload download. If your PHP installation supports it, you can do that as well. So that's sort of an overview of what's the latest and greatest in Simple Files. You can again click on any folder, and if there are specifically images in it, you can highlight the image and get a preview. Thanks for watching.